Hola, 8th grade. I want to do a quick video demonstration here showing you where to go to get into Flipgrid. Okay, I'm seeing some are being posted in my Spanish 1 Flipgrid, and I'm not sure how that's happening. So I want to go through these steps with you. So when you get to Schoology, you're going to click on your class. There you are. Okay, you're going to scroll to here. You're going to click on the folder for the week, okay? And I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna see speaking practice, which is follow the instructions on Flipgrid, okay? So you can, I'm not sure if this QR code is causing the problem, and so if it is, I need to remove it. Where you need to click is here, and you should see a screen that looks like this, okay? It will say 8th Spanish Familia, okay, by Jane Clemistrew. So click your login with Google, and then you're just going to use your Rock County Schools email account, and you should come to a screen that looks like this, 8th grade Spanish Familia, okay? And here is the assignment. You need to tell us about your family using the Spanish word for the family members. Remember, se llama means is named or is called. Please use at least 4 words from the list of familia structures. For example, mi padre se llama, okay? So what I've done is we've got Hunter in here and we've got Lily, okay? And what I've done is I've given you a sample. Mi padre se llama Phil. Mi madre se llama Pat. Okay, so I don't need to go through all of that, but you can access the Flipgrid. So make sure that when you are pushing this green button that you're seeing your other classmates and that you're seeing that you are in 8th grade Spanish Familia. Okay? Adiós. Nos vemos luego.